everybody, Denny here. This series, we're going to be dealing with a subject called artist's block and how to get out of it. Let's head on over the easel and start our journey, okay? I'll meet you there. Here we go. Now, as I was saying, we've all heard of artist's block. You know, that's where you just get to the point where nothing's going to work. So what do? You get frustrated. Just throw some paint around like this, okay? Just throw some paint around on a paper. We're not trying to do anything particularly. Just throw some paint. You spritz it with some water if you want. Okay? The whole thing is you probably got there because you've been trying so hard for so long that you just can't make anything work. Okay? So now let's just take a brush and let's just scribble up like that. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Let's just scribble some crap around here like that. Oh, we can just have some fun with that. Okay, we ain't trying to paint nothing. We're just scribbleificating. Let's just see what this brush. Let's see what this brush will do. We're not. Nothing is working. So we're just scribbling. Okay, and if we just scribble, then a lot of times we can actually get something to begin. Sometimes we can, but we're not going to know until we scribble. Okay, so we're going to take a trip through artist's block this time. We're just going to leave this one here. We're just going to let this dry down. Normally you'd do this in one fell swoop, but I don't feel like it today. We'll just let her sit there. Okay, and I'm just going to tap here and tap there and tap there like that. And we'll just see what we can scribble out on this over the next few days, okay? Be with me and let's continue the journey. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link, leave comments, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We are on our way to get rid of artist's block, okay? Be with me tomorrow, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.